to Chebens, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Newton County in northwestern Indiana, Porter County in northwestern Indiana, Lake County in northwestern Indiana, northern Jasper County in northwestern Indiana, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:26 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Oak Lawn to Richmond Park to Kankakee, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dyer, Lake Station, Wheatfield, Cedar Lake, Chesterton, Winfield, Thayer, Rose Lawn, Valparaiso, Town of Pines, Lake Delacarlia, Beverly Shores, Stoutsburg, Merrillville, Hobart, Lamont, Fair Oaks, Dunn's Bridge, Hebron, East Chicago, Porter, Dune Acres, Wheeler, Lakes of the Four Seasons, and Munster. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for northwestern Indiana. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 6 p.m. At 5:28 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing a tornado were located along a line extending from Homewood to Steger to near Beecher, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Dyer, Highland, Sauk Village, Riverdale, Ford Heights, Crete, East Chicago, Griffith, St. John, and Lansing around 5:35 p.m. Gary around 5:40 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:45 p.m. for southeastern Will and southeastern Cook counties. At 5:28 p.m.,